Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful charger plate with the matching napkin ring. This is just a preview of how the project turned out. It came out absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this project and that it was extremely easy. So I picked up this Pearlized charger. I got this from the DollarTree, and they had quite a few colors like the white, plain white, this pearlized white, gold. So yeah, I picked up this. I have never used this charger before, so I wanted to have a little fun with this. I did have this idea like in mind for a while. To embellish the charger, I'm going to be using, well, I may use these diamond shaped mirrors, may use that. But I'm definitely going to be using my embellishments. These are the flat back embellishments that I picked up from Totally Dazzled. These are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be using those. I'm also going to be using those, I think this is acrylic napkin rings. It's meant to look like crystal. It's absolutely gorgeous by itself. I'm going to be decorating those as well. I picked those up from Amazon. I got a good price on 6. I used a coupon to get those. I'm going to be using this makeup pencil just to mark off on the charger where I'm going to lay the embellishments. Going to be using Mod Podge. I'm going to use the NYX glitter. I had that in my makeup stash. I'm not using it, so I thought I'd use it in this project. This glitter is really nice. It's basically a white glitter with a little bit of like aqua blue and pink reflex. It's really pretty and I thought it would look great as an embellishment to the charger. The color is called Crystal, and again that's by NYX. And I picked that up years ago for $1. Using my paintbrush, I'm going to use that stick to stir in the glitter and the Mod Podge. I'm going to be using alcohol also to clean the plate. I'm going to be using my silicone fingers and my glue gun. And the silicone fingers are to protect my fingers from getting burned from the hot glue. So I'm going to get started. So first I'm just going to clean off the charger with a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and a clean towel. I just wanted to show you what the plate looked like up close, or the charger rather. Beautiful pearlized effect. Right now I'm just going to peel off the paper that's on the back of the charger. So right now I'm going to pour a little bit of Mod Podge into the plate, and I'm going to just stir a little bit of the glitter in. About half of a teaspoon I used just to eyeball it. Stirred in half of a teaspoon, and I'm just going to stir it up until it's nice and blended. So right now I'm just using that Mod Podge and glitter mixture just to brush on the charger. I'm going to be brushing it on the outer portion of the charger, and I'm going to leave the center of the charger untouched. I'm not going to do anything to that at all. So I'm just making sure that the Mod Podge and glitter mixture is blending on or brushing on nice and smoothly. After I set that aside to dry, I decided I'm going to embellish the napkin ring. So I'm just going to paint a little bit of the Mod Podge and glitter mixture inside the napkin ring. And I set it aside to dry, and this is what it looks like, guys. Came out really, really nice. Just a hint of the glitter, not overdone. So right now the plate is dry, and I did apply the Mod Podge and glitter mixture twice to the charger. So the charger is dry, and this is what it looks like with 2 applications. So right now I'm just going to apply a little bit of Mod Podge, just plain Mod Podge, just to seal in the glitter mixture on the napkin ring and on the outer edge of the charger. And I didn't mention before, but I am using a foam brush. I don't think you need it with this project. I just thought it would come out smoother the last step would be smoother if I used the sponge. But it came out absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like. It's all dry. I let it dry for about an hour and a half. So this is the first step to embellishing the charger. It looks so beautiful. So these diamond shaped mirror tiles, I've decided I wasn't going to use them because these chargers that I'm making for my family, or for me and my husband loves bling, but he doesn't like the over bling. So I decided to omit the tiles, the diamond shaped tiles, and just use the circular embellishments. So right now I'm just using that makeup pencil just to mark off on the charges where I'm going to lay the embellishments. And as you can see right now, I'm just gluing all the embellishments into place. Guys, these embellishments are from TotallyDazzled.com. They have a full selection of embellishments and brooches. Everything on the site to me is absolutely gorgeous. I love everything. The prices are like, everything is $1 or $1.25. Some of the bigger brooches run $2. I did get a nice order from them. I purchased it myself, so I'm going to share what I got with you just to show you what they have at the site. So this is the charger. This is what it looks like with the embellishments on it. Honestly, I have to say, I think with the mirrored tiles it would have looked overdone. This is simple and elegant. So right now I'm going to add an embellishment to the napkin ring, and I'm going to show you what that looks like when it's all done. And this is the final project, guys. This is what the tray looks like, all embellished. And once you set up your plate or your tablescape, you use your chargers, your charger mats, placemats. The rest is up to you. You can have a gorgeous table setting. I absolutely love the way the charger and the napkin ring came out. Absolutely beautiful, as you can tell. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye.